Hello everyone and welcome again to my channel. In today's video I bring you yet another interesting update that just dropped on the Pi ecosystem. It is called the anti-scams feature. Now this anti-scam feature is a feature that once you turn it on your Pi wallet, you wouldn't experience any unauthorized transactions happening in your wallet again. Good. Meaning, if anyone has your seed phrase or has stolen your seed phrase in any way, they will not be able to do any transaction inside your wallet and steal your Pi coin, because there's been a lot of uproar and a lot of scam all around happening. Pioneers complaining Pi coin missing from their wallet without their consent, transactions they never authorized, and people have even started pointing fingers on the Pi core team that they are the ones responsible for their missing Pi from their wallet, because some deny not giving out their phrase into any person and a lot of things. So this accusation, and to save the Pi ecosystem, the Pi core team came up with this new feature called the anti-scam that once you turn it on your Pi wallet, it will stop any unauthorized transactions from happening inside your wallet, meaning nobody can move out any coin from your wallet once you have the anti-scam turned on. So it's good news, pioneers, and watch this video to the end so that you see how to turn it on your wallet immediately and safeguard the future of your Pi coin in your wallet. And don't forget, if you are new to my channel, please kindly hit the subscription button to stay subscribed and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post videos as this, anytime, any day. And also, if you find this video interesting, please kindly share it to pioneers and friends around so that everybody will know about this new feature called the anti-scam, because every pioneer needs to turn it on their Pi wallet, because you don't know how or when someone might mistakenly or deliberately steal your passphrase and wants to go steal your Pi coins from your wallet. And if that happens, and if you have turned on anti-scam on your wallet, it will not be able to happen. Nobody will be able to move out Pi coins from your wallet without your consent. Good. Now, how to do this is very simple. We'll move into it straight away. Let's go to your Pi browser. This is mine here. You open it. I allow it load very well so that I don't encounter any glitches. Good. Once it loads here, you go to this home button here at the center here that says home. Click on it. Then delete everything on this address bar. Delete it. And then you type the URL pinet-wallet.web.app. And don't worry, this URL will be on the description of this video, so you can go there and copy it and paste it to your Pi browser so you don't make any mistakes. And then once you're done, you will navigate to the site. Good. Yeah, this is the first page. Once you're here, the next thing you do, you look for the button anti-scam. Good. Is this last one here? You can see it has new on it. I mean, it's a new update. It was just newly added. You see anti-scam, then you click on it because that's what you want to turn on. You want to turn on anti-scam in your wallet. So you click on anti-scam. Good. Okay, this is, we have to turn this toggle button to toggle it on, but before that, let's see. I want to read out this right up here so that you know what you are turning, what you're doing when you're doing it. It says, by turning on anti-scam, you give the core team authorization to turn your wallet into a semi-custodial wallet, and as such prevents any unauthorized transactions from your wallet. A confirmation email will be sent to your 2FA email once activated successfully. Okay, good. That's just to tell you that's what anti-scam is. You turn it on so that you give the Pi PyCore team the authorization to stop any unauthorized transaction happening inside your wallet. That's what the anti-scam is all about. So let's click on it to toggle it on. Okay. To activate anti-scam protection, you need to first verify your wallet authenticity. Click the button below to verify your wallet ownership. Okay, you just click on this button that says verify. Click on it. Good. On this page here, what you need to do is to input your 24-word seed phrase here to verify the ownership of your wallet and specify the particular wallet you want this anti-scam turned on. Yes, so I have my seed phrase copied already. I'm going to go ahead and paste it inside this box. Good. Okay, and once I've pasted it like this, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this button that says unlock with password. Sorry, I had to cover this page so that I don't review my seed phrase to anybody. So you click on, after you've done imputing it here, you click on unlock with passphrase. Let's go ahead. Beautiful. Now you can see I have successfully turned on the anti-scam feature in my wallet. Now you can see the anti-scam feature has been toggled on, and I have a pop-up notification. Verification success. You have successfully turned on anti-scam on your wallet. A confirmation email has been sent to your 2FA email. Cross-check to be sure the wallet address below is your correct wallet address. If it varies, kindly click on the button below to go back and redo the process. Yeah, this is my wallet address here. It's correct. I think you need to check just to be sure you are turning on the anti-scam on the right wallet. Yes, if it's not correct, you click that I made a mistake to go back or go back to continue, but this is mine, so it is good. So now you can see I have successfully turned on the anti-scam on my wallet, and this means that I don't need to worry myself about any scammer or any person stealing my passphrase to go steal my Pi. Good, because if you steal my passphrase now and you try to, move Pi coins from my wallet, you want to steal Pi from my wallet, it will not go successful because I have anti-scam turned on now. Good. The next thing is would have to check, because I said they will send an email to my 2FA email, is to go to my 2FA email and check for the email, confirmation email they said they've sent, to be sure it's done successfully. So that's what I'm going to do next. Let's go to my email address, my Gmail. Okay, this is my Gmail here. Let me open it to see if the email from the PyCore team have entered. Gmail. Beautiful. It has landed. Pi Network Support Security Notification. Yes, I have received an email from the PyCore team on my 2FA email address. This means that the anti-scam I turned on is active. Let me read the email address to be sure, and let's see what the PyCore team said. Okay. Alright, the email says security notification. Anti-scam protection enabled on your Pi wallet. Dear Pioneer, we are notifying you that anti-scam protection has been successfully enabled on your Pi wallet as part of our ongoing commitment to safeguarding your assets. So beautiful. With this protection active, your wallet will process only transactions initiated directly from the native Pi browser linked to your Pi mining app. Any transactions attempted through other channels will be automatically blocked. Good. To prevent unauthorized activity. If you did not authorize this change, we strongly recommend that you take immediate action to review and update your wallet security settings. Please access the following link exclusively via your Pi browser to deactivate anti-scam protection if necessary. Okay, yeah, this is the URL that we use to turn on the anti-scam on my wallet. It's here in this email already. Okay, that's if I wasn't the one that did this, but I did it, so don't need. Your security remains our highest priority. Thank you for your prompt attention to this matter. and for helping us maintain a secure Pi network ecosystem. Sincerely, Pi network supportive. Beautiful, beautiful. Now you can see I have successfully turned on anti-scam on my wallet. Now I don't have to be worried about anyone stealing my phrase, because if you do succeed in stealing my phrase, which I know will be very impossible for you to do because I'm very, very careful with my phrase, but if peradventure you happen to steal my phrase, here you will not be able to do anything inside my wallet because I have activated anti-scam on my wallet, so my wallet is safe. And that brings us to the end of this video. So any pioneer out there, please, once you see this video, go immediately and activate anti-scam on your wallet to stay safe and protect your Pi coins inside your wallet from unauthorized transactions happening. So you don't wake up one morning and you discover that your Pi has mysteriously been moved to a strange wallet you do not know about. With anti-scam active in your wallet, you don't have to be scared of such, because the transaction will not go successful. It will be blocked by the Pi content because you have anti-scam turned on your wallet. Thank you very much for watching this video, and remember, share, like, subscribe. Thank you. See you on the next one. Bye bye.